Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to do this 4-strand waterfall braid with a ribbon. It looks like this. It's really cute and pretty hairstyle. I don't think it's really called a 4-strand ribbon braid because it's kind of different, but I searched the name and it says like that, so I hope you enjoy. And we're gonna start off by tying the ribbon into the hair. And just take a section of hair from the top and place it between the two hairs and the ribbon. It's just like a waterfall thing to do. And then bring the ribbon up and then make a crisscross with the two hairs that you got. Just make a crisscross and then bring the ribbon right between them here, and then bring the ribbon down. Take a section of hair, place it between them, the ribbon and the two hairs, and then go down. The ribbon comes up, and the sections of hairs go down, and then make a crisscross, just like an X shape, you know. And then the ribbon goes down. Take a section of hair from the top and then place it between the ribbon and the two hairs. Then take these two hair sections, go down, make a crisscross, and then take the ribbon, and the ribbon goes down and the hairs come up. Take a section of hair from the front, from the upper head, yes, and then place it between the hair and the ribbon. Then the ribbon comes up and you make a crisscross with the hair sections. The ribbon goes down. You take a section of hair from the top, you place it between the hair and the ribbon, like that, and the hair goes down, and then you make a crisscross and the hair comes up, the ribbon goes down, just like that. Take a section of hair, add it in. If you get to the part that you want it to be, you can tie it up with the elastic band, or you can just tie the ribbon around it like I do. But I would suggest you to actually put an elastic band if you want to wear it to an event or a special place. And you can pull it out if you want to, and it looks really lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and I will see you in my next video. And hairstyles, of course, like what kind, just, message me or whatever. I will be happy to show you what you want to see.